This is my mom. She's a hoot, or so she's been told. She's also a few months short of her 80th birthday, so she's dealing with all the typical aches and pains that come with age. In fact, around 6 weeks ago, she was in such pain from a bad knee and a nasty attack of sciatica, she literally could no longer walk. She was able, however, to make her way to her trike, plunk down into the seat, and pedal. It was really pretty amazing to see the amount of mobility the trike gave someone who was in such pain that she struggled to walk. Yet here she was, rolling down the street with a smile on her face. After each ride, she would comment on how she could feel her legs getting stronger. And here we are 6 weeks later, and she's walking once again. I'm sure there was a good amount of natural healing involved here, but I'm also giving the trike lots of credit for her rehabilitation. It was easy to see that the simple act of getting outside and moving was doing wonders for both her physical and mental well-being. I'm certainly no physical therapist, but I really think that trikes should be standard equipment at all rehab facilities. Really, never underestimate the healing powers of a trike.